The Indian government has been pushing for the digital currency to be introduced in the country. The Reserve Bank of India has now approved a proposal for the development of its own digital currency called India Coin. This will allow the RBI to regulate and control it, as opposed to the private players who have come up with coins such as Bitcoin. India is a country with long and rich history, and it also home to one of the largest and most dynamic economies in the world. In recent years, India has seen a rapid growth in the use of digital technologies, and this trend is also starting to impact the world of finance. One of the most exciting developments in India's digital landscape is the emergence of digital currency, also known as cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional currencies which are controlled by governments and financial institutions, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and use advanced encryption techniques to secure transactions. One of the most well-known cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, hundreds of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with their own unique features and benefits. In India, the use of digital currencies is still in its early stages, but it is growing rapidly. Many Indians are attracted to the benefits of cryptocurrencies, such as their low transaction fees and ability to make fast and secure payments online. As a result, more and more merchants in India are starting to accept cryptocurrencies as payment, and some even offer discounts for customers who pay with digital currencies. Despite the growing popularity of digital currencies in India, there are also some challenges and hurdles to overcome. One of the main obstacles is the lack of clear regulations and guidelines around their use. In many cases, it is unclear how cryptocurrencies should be taxed or treated under Indian law, leading to confusion and uncertainty among users and merchants. Another challenge facing digital currencies in India is the lack of access to traditional financial services. In many parts of the country, particularly in rural areas, people do not have access to banks or other financial institutions. This makes it difficult for them to use traditional forms of money and makes cryptocurrencies an attractive alternative. Despite these challenges, the future of digital currencies in India looks bright. As more and more people become aware of their benefits and potential, the use of cryptocurrencies is likely to continue to grow and evolve. As the technology continues to improve, we can expect to see new and exciting developments in the world of digital currencies in India. One of the key factors driving the growth of digital currencies in India is the government's focus on digital innovation and inclusion. In recent years, the Indian government has launched several initiatives to promote the use of digital technologies, such as the Digital India program and the Jan Dhan Yojana scheme. These initiatives aim to provide more people in India with access to digital services and technologies, and they are also likely to boost the adoption of digital currencies. Another factor driving the growth of digital currencies in India is the rise of initial coin offerings, or ICOs. An ICO is a way for a new cryptocurrency to raise funds by offering investors the chance to purchase units of currencies at a discounted price. This allows companies and individuals to raise money quickly and easily, without the need for traditional forms of financing such as bank loans or venture capital. In India, ICOs have become a popular way for new cryptocurrencies to launch and gain traction. Many Indian startups and entrepreneurs are using ICOs to raise funds for their projects and ideas, and some have even seen great success in doing so. However, like in many other countries, ICOs in India have also attracted controversy and scrutiny from regulators. In some cases, ICOs have been found to be fraudulent or misleading, leading to losses for investors and damaging the reputation of the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. Despite these challenges, the future of digital currencies in India looks promising. As more and more people in India become aware of the benefits and potential, the use of cryptocurrencies is likely to continue to grow and evolve. As the technology continues to improve, we can expect to see new and exciting developments in the world of digital currencies and a growing role for them in the global economy. The Reserve Bank of India has been looking into how it will go about creating its own version of digital currency for some time now and has finally come up with one plan in particular which it believes will work best in country's current context. It seems like RBI will not issue its own cryptocurrency but instead introduce an alternative system based. The digital currency will be called Lakshmi and it will be backed by Indian government and will be regulated by RBI. The RBI said that they are also exploring other possibilities such as centralized or a decentralized database in order to create this new form of currency. The RBI is looking at possible risks such as cyber attacks and hacking. They are also trying to understand how they can keep track of all transactions made with this new form of currency. India is looking to become the first country in South Asia to release its own digital currency. The Reserve Bank of India has been working on the project for past 2 years and it was expected to be released in 2020. The RBI has been working on developing a digital currency since 2016, but due to insufficient infrastructure and privacy concerns, they have postponed the release date multiple times. The main benefit is that it would make transactions much easier. It would also reduce the cost of transactions and make sure that people have access to their own money at any time. Finally, another major challenge with digital currencies is scalability. If the number of users increases significantly, then systems will not be able to process all the transactions quickly enough and this will cause delays in processing payments or transfers. It is not surprised that India is fastest growing economy in the world. India could be the next leading financial hub for Asia.